So for someone else considering doing what you've just done, are you able to give them some tips on how to go about it? Is there anything that you found was like game changing?
I just walked around the property and took photographs with my phone. And so that gave me the basis for my scope of works, which I wrote up based on your templates. Another thing I did do, which I didn't mention, was the lobby area. I knew that was a very important part of the vision, and I let it buy in. So I did have a Pinterest board with colors and textures and things that I'd gotten samples of tiles and carpet, that sort of thing. But I also engaged the architect who drew up the drawings for our apartment renovation. I engaged him to do a 3D of the lobby. And so I was able to share that photograph in the WhatsApp group. Boom, I had immediate buy-in. And that was it. That was really my only way. So I had a vision. I kept building the details, sharing it, and the scope of works. Everyone could look. We had a Google Drive where all the receipts would go. Everyone could look if they wanted to. So it wasn't that hard to be promoting the School of Renovating. I mean, the tools and resources that you provide, Bernadette, are just amazing. Not just for a home. I mean, we were doing cosmetic flush, your system, or the whole Strata building. It was the same principles, and I used the resources. So it really did make it easy. And I had you in my back pocket if I needed. So, yeah.